Hello, welcome to my channel. On my channel today we are cooking fried rice. To start with, we are going to boil our protein, which is chicken and gizzard. I am using gizzard because liver is not available. In a situation whereby you have your liver, then you are good to go, but I prefer gizzard. After boiling your protein, then we move on to our frying ingredients. Here I have gizzard, I have spring onions, I have my carrots all diced, I have green pea, red pea, green beans, and all other ingredients. So while our oil is hot, then we add our ingredients, all the diced ingredients, the carrot, the green pea. We add it and fry it on a low heat. You fry it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Before frying, you add your spice, your curry, thyme, all the natural spice you want to add. I also added my gizzard because it's part of the ingredients you must fry when you want to cook 100% original fried rice. I'll fry it for a few minutes, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes, then you are done. Now it's time to move on to cooking our rice. Put your pot on fire, then add oil. This is grated ginger and garlic. After that, I added my diced onion. So you fry it for a while before adding your rice. So after adding your rice, you need to fry it because that is why it is called fried rice. Except you want to cook concoction fried rice, that is when you will not have to fry your rice. But if you want the original taste of fried rice, then you have to fry your rice and almost all your ingredients. So after frying the rice for a bit, I added my spice, I added the curry, I added few ingredients as well and fry it. After adding all your ingredients, and make sure it is well circulated, that is, you mix it very well, then you have to add your chicken stock. It is very important to make use of your chicken stock. Then add a little bit of water because fried rice does not have to be too soft. You need to add just a bit of water just to make the rice done. So after adding the water, then mix it again and cover it for a few minutes. After the water has dried, then you have to add your fried ingredient. This is my spring onion. I didn't fry the spring onion because it is soft, so by frying it makes it wither. I don't know, I just don't like frying my spring onion. After that, you add other ingredient that you fried, followed by my diced onion. I don't like frying my onion as well. So when you pour everything, then you mix it thoroughly to make sure it is well mixed, followed by my canned sweet corn. And I mixed everything together and cover it again to steam for like 2 to 3 minutes. After steaming for like 2 to 3 minutes, then our fried rice is ready. Wow, you need to taste this fried rice, it's so yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be giving you premium content. Thank you for watching. Bye.